guys, this is the Woodman stereo. This is an Android stereo. This is the Woodman Big B DSP stereo. Here we have radio, navigation, music, apps, internet, phone. We can connect the Wi-Fi here, just like the Android. We can connect the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and we have a car amplifier. We can go to settings. It is just like the tab, just like using Android phones. There are apps, several apps. We can install it through Play Store. We can install any app. I have installed Spotify, Dio 7, and all for music player. And the audio clarity in this set is really amazing, really good. I will play a video. We can customize this launcher. This is Agama launcher. In the settings there is theme editor. We can change the color, like if you want orange, we can change this color to orange. We can make this 3D alignment, 2D alignment, and we can also change the background picture. Like I am putting this picture. It will be full leather. Also, there is the logo for all the cars. My favorite is auto. Here put the logo, navigation, compass, music. This is the speedometer and the clock. The clock is like this. The speedometer, if we move the car, it will goes like the 0 to 50, 0 to 100. It will display the monitor here. And if we play the music, the music cover art will be like here, and it is really good. And this is the navigation, compass. If map is connected, it will be saying how to go there, and the navigation will be here. And logo, we can select any logo of any car. Here there are several logos, BMW, Audi. It will be based on your car. We can also download maps. Google Maps is also pre-installed. I have also downloaded offline maps. Speed ആക്കണോട്ടാ.
Least.
We can see the Google Maps. This is because I am not connected to the Wi-Fi, so this is the offline maps. It is slower, but it actually works when we go on very long trips. Also, we have inbuilt music player, Spotify, Dio 7, and this is a music player I have installed from the Play Store. And radio also is there, inbuilt radio. Radio also got clarity, nice sound. internet we have Google Chrome. As I am not connected to the internet, now the internet is connected. We can take the apps, YouTube. You can search any music. It is really fast. Audio quality is super good. There are other several apps like Spotify.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time.
Okay. Here we are, go to the Geo 7. Now we have to try the reverse camera, which is connected in the back. We put on the gear. Now the screen changes to the reverse parking camera. It is very clear and it has night vision also.